A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a shocking development, a memo has surfaced revealing that the federal government is preparing to deport immigrants to countries where they hold no citizenship, potentially with as little as 6 hours' notice. This alarming policy, outlined by Todd M. Lyons, the acting director of U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, follows a Supreme Court decision that paves the way for expedited deportations. The implications of this decision are profound, as it could lead to many immigrants being sent to unfamiliar territories where they lack support systems and language skills. The memo indicates that the new policy targets immigrants who have received final removal orders but cannot be returned to their home countries due to safety concerns. This includes individuals from nations with which the U.S. has strained relations, such as Cuba and China. Under the new guidelines, the amount of notice provided to immigrants prior to deportation will vary based on the destination country. If the U.S. government has secured diplomatic assurances regarding the safety of deportees in a specific country, individuals may be removed without any prior warning. In more precarious situations, immigrants could find themselves facing deportation with as little as 6 hours' notice. The memo emphasizes that in exigent circumstances, immigration officers can expedite the removal process, leaving individuals with minimal time to prepare or seek legal counsel. Alarmingly, the policy does not mandate that immigration officials inquire about the deportees' concerns regarding potential risks in the third country. However, those who do express fears will undergo a screening process within approximately 24 hours to determine their eligibility for humanitarian protection under federal law and the Convention Against Torture. Critics of the policy, including Trina Realmuto, executive director of the National Immigration Litigation Alliance, have voiced strong objections, arguing that it endangers thousands of lives by exposing individuals to the risk of torture and persecution. The new deportation strategy raises significant ethical questions about the treatment of immigrants and the responsibilities of the U.S. government in ensuring their safety. As the immigration landscape continues to shift, the potential for such rapid deportations looms large, prompting urgent calls for reform and greater protections for vulnerable populations. This policy, if implemented, could mark a drastic change in the approach to immigration enforcement, prioritizing expediency over human rights considerations. The implications of these actions will undoubtedly resonate throughout the immigrant community and beyond, as advocates work to challenge and resist such measures that threaten the safety and dignity of individuals seeking refuge. As the nation grapples with the complexities of immigration policy, the need for a balanced approach that respects human rights while addressing security concerns has never been more critical. The situation remains fluid, and as developments unfold, it is imperative that the voices of those affected by these policies are heard and amplified in the ongoing dialogue surrounding immigration reform in the United States. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.